Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back. We are Anime Date Night, Madison.
Corbin.
We are back with Chainsaw Man, Season 1, Episode 2, Arrival in Tokyo.
Yeah, last we saw, Denji was not having a very good time, selling his literal body, falling apart, and he still got betrayed, and that sucks. But then he merged with PACHITO, cute little chainsaw devil, and now he is not a cute chainsaw devil, he's a chainsaw man.
I cried so hard, you guys.
Yeah, it's a real rough break for Denji, but he's been, like, reanimated, I guess.
Well, and I love animals.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, I don't care if they're real or fictional, right? Like, if you watch Avatar: The Last Airbender, I don't care that Appa's not real.
It hurts.
PACHITO is the... So, like, is he gonna... I don't think PACHITO can come back or something.
No, I think, like, PACHITO is absorbed inside of Denji now. Like, PACHITO's not gone.
But, like, did he... I feel like... I don't know, like... They said something about, like, the devil takes over the body or something. Mm-hmm. But Denji very clearly still has a consciousness. So, like, was this, like, a polymerization Yu-Gi-Oh type vibe?
I kind of get the sense that it was sort of like that. It was a fusion where PACHITO isn't gone, but, like, now a part of Denji.
But can they still talk to each other? Like, can they still do cuddles? Because they shared bread and shared the sleeping space. And I can't imagine, like, Joel Puppy giving his life for me and not being able to cuddle with my puppy dog. I just don't... I don't want you to give your life for me. I want you to live happy. Get Chimkin.
But sometimes life comes between a man and his chainsaw dog.
Supposedly, Season 2 of Chainsaw Man's coming out in 2024. I think that's a big maybe.
Yeah.
Mappa's got some shit popping off, and
honestly,
I'm gonna be surprised
Mappa workers a break.
Real talk, give Mappa employees a break, and
I love it, but I don't love it at, like, the point of slave labor. You know what I'm saying? Like,
and I'm still worried that Jujutsu Kaisen is not gonna finish Season 2. I'm worried about it. But justice for the Mappa animators. We are pro-union, always.
Always.
Boom. And...
Oh, sound like something.
I wonder if someone just came home.
Oh, yeah.
Apologies for the puppy dogs, but, we were warned... Look, it is not 10 o'clock yet. They need to get a grip. But our mods are great, and they told us a couple of things. They said to watch the intro several times. Because, I guess, references? I don't know. And then they said to watch every single outro because they're all different. We didn't do that with episode 1. So I guess we'll watch episode 2's intro. Can't put it on YouTube for obvious reasons, but it will be on Patreon. Yeah.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright. Like, do you own me? What? I feel like she's gotta be kidding.
Wow. Ouch. Dang. Rough, buddy.
I'm curious about the teeth thing. Like the pointy teeth. He had them even before the fusion. He can't cuddle PACHITO anymore. I don't want him to be dead. I don't want him to be dead. Wait, have we not seen the intro yet?
Nope. Cold open. I would be very careful, bro. You
I think
are her
it's
dog.
sad.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the open. Honestly, that reminds me of JJK, like the crew, no?
Well, kind of makes sense. Same animators animated both, I'm sure.
It was like Watchmen.
Seems like we got more crew to be introduced to.
Was he walking on a leash?
Yeah, he was.
Whatever Makes you happy, my guy, as long as everyone's consenting. I won't yuck your yum.
Yeesh.
I wonder how bad it hurts each time. The fuck?
Strange, but okay.
It's like Spider-Man.
Yeah, Chainsaw Man can sling anywhere. I want to meet some more of this crew, to be very honest with you. So weird. But animated so dang well.
Yeah, Mappa animators deserve far more patience than they've gotten from their team.
Alright, this man about to eat.
I love udon.
Bruh.
I wonder how often he gets to bathe.
Oh, Pachita is died. Aww, yay. I'm glad. I'm glad.
I love animals. When's the last time he ate? It's in front of you, baby. Yeah.
Man, get out of here.
What girl is your type? I'm impressed I didn't spit that by accident.
Yeah, she's got this man on a leash. 100%. You better hurry along, bro.
I wonder if they work with sorcerers.
Don't
shit where you eat, my guy.
Don't do it.
Just don't.
Don't fall in love with your coworkers.
Don't. Baby, this is lust and hunger. You're fine.
Denji-kun. Hi.
When's the last time he got new clothes?
But you know, let's be honest. He didn't have great prospects going into this.
Honestly, it reminds me of like when a lot of lower like income families join the military because it guarantees 3 hots and a cot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And like guaranteed pay. Man, play. He has no idea how to tie this fucking tie. Oh, that's the guy we saw in the intro. He reminds me of Megami.
Looks pretty straight-laced.
Very no nonsense. Okay. He gives me Nanami. She's cute, she smells good, and she feeds me.
Just gave him a good carrot. He's in love. Oh, let's go clean up some dirty streets. Ooh, dang.
Plot twist, he is her boyfriend.
Bro, wouldn't that be some shit? Dang.
Yeah, he does give me Nanami vibes.
Wow.
He spit.
On the cigarette he...
I might catch a charge. Yeah!
Come back, Denji!
I might fucking spit on me.
男と喧嘩するとき股間しか狙わねえ
Yo, homie's not gonna be able to have kids. They just went back into his fucking abdomen.
俺は今日初めてうどん食ったぜフランクフルトもな
Wow, he eats bread, bro.
だし
He's
初
been
めて
starved.
食わせてもらった
He's been starving his entire
み
life.
てえな生
Malnourished.
続けるためだったら死んでもいいぜ
He's motivated.
話俺だけの命じゃなかった
One, when's the last time he had his full body even? Like both eyes, his, you know, downstairs.
好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよああいいんだよ
How are y'all fighting over
だけじゃね
a lady that he just... Why does it feel like it's metal? It sounds like...
Bruh. Denji is such an American. I'm just gonna throw it out there. I'm just gonna throw it out there. Denji's got real American energy.
先輩が金玉の悪魔に玉を襲わ
What did I just say? This man, Denji, is a full-blooded American, bro.
Devil, I can't. Like, I don't even normally use that word. Oh my god, I can't. Oh.
Alright, love Denji. Love this man to death. Alright.
Okay.
嘘ですこいつの嘘です
Shut up, Mikamaru.
こいつ何者なんですか
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になる
Okay, okay.
デンジ君は悪魔として処分されます
Ooh.
それって
It means you're death, my guy.
死ぬまで一緒に働こうってこと
Some pretty heavy strings attached.
どっかに逃げたら殺していいって言われてるからな
She said it so calmly and matter-of-factly, too.
She wasn't playing around.
キマさんは諦めろお前が悪魔なら殺されないだけ感謝しろよ俺たち
Guessing she's that girl.
俺の命の恩人だ
You too, bro, huh?
I wonder if her eyes let her, like, do shit.
もう一回抱きてえな
He's like, again?
ジャムオレンジジャムに
He loves his jams.
Well, because they were talking about jam,
あと
and how he couldn't imagine what it was like to just...
最強のパンができちまったぜ
All the jams plus cinnamon.
ワオワオワオワオワオワオワオ
I love that.
Listen,
風呂長いんだよ
pause. That's a funny place to pause. I'm gonna unpause this real quick because I want to sit on this. Play.
You don't want to sit on it, but he
Nah.
does.
Several years ago, I was homeless for a few months. When you don't have, like, AC, and you get to bathe, like take a bath for the first time in months, my guy? Dude! Fuck what you heard! Play. It was giving porta potty energy.
Alright, now we gotta get to work.
目標の魔人は2階奥の部屋に立てこもってるあとはデビルハンターに任せる早川さん隣の人新人
So they work with the police.
ああ
I wonder if they're gonna take their shoes off.
人の死体を乗っ取った悪魔それが魔人だ
Okay. Pretty straightforward.
魔人じゃね違う魔人は頭の形状が特徴的
He does in a different state.
見れば一発でわかる
Oh. Ooh.
で使えるもんかどうか判断する
It's like a pincer. He said to transform.
Well, didn't have time.
やりたくて。いいか、覚えとけ。魔人も立派な
His relationship with Pachita made this work differently.
本気なんだよ。俺は悪魔をできるだけ苦しむように殺してやりたいぜ。
He killed it.
Yeah, but no, he killed it.
No, he didn't have a conversation. He killed it. Just killed it quickly.
その言葉、覚えとくぜ。
It's sad.
Denji's been very lonely.
He's had a really hard life.
プッツンさせちゃったよ。本当はエロ本に血つけたくなかった。
Bruh, yeah, okay.
Sure.
これはもらってくぜ。
As you do, bro. As you do.
契約通り夢みてえないい生活してるもんな。その言葉、覚えとくぜ。
Pachita was his only friend.
面のいい女も近くにいて、もう100点の生活なのに、なんか足り。
He's missing
Pachita.
Pachita.
マキマさんもなんかあんのか。マキマさんも。
Every show we're watching right now is all about breasts.
I wanna touch your boobs. Come on, bro.
見てたけど、今のまともな仕事してる俺なら揉めるんじゃねえか。
Well, he didn't have anything to offer, I think is his logic.
Yeah.
Maybe now he can.
でも胸なら強い意志と行動力がありゃ揉めるんじゃ。
He was literally selling his body in pieces.
見つけたぜ。俺の本気。俺のゴール。それ。
He's got something to motivate him.
胸だ。
おい。
That's hilarious.
小規模任務とかパトロールは安全のため2人1組で行動することになっ
But is that Anya?
ちょうどよかった。来たみたい。気をつけてね。彼女。
Oh, okay.
She's kind of like him then. Prostrate yourselves. When the shotting gun?
She's a fiend.
名前パワー？つうか魔人なの？魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
You are.
I mean, right? And it's experimentally, and she's got boobs.
早川くんの体に入れてみたんだ。前にも言ったけど、公安大麻得意音感は実験的
Yeah, very experimental.
にでも上の方々が解体しちゃうかもしれない。そうなったら君たちがどうなるかは。
We'll die.
Death.
Yeah.
It's very clear.
Okay, that's really cool.
頭の角が目立つから人通りの少ない場所だけパトロールすること。
Why doesn't she wear a beanie?
Or a stovepipe hat.
Shut the fuck up. A top hat.
わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
Don't you fucking dare.
が良けりゃ許せる。
Don't you dare.
問題はどうやって胸を。
She is watching that cat. Okay. Turn around.
って言って手帳を見せれば嫌な顔して帰っていくよ。
They'll make a sour face and leave you alone.
わしのせいじゃな。
Too
わ
strong.
しは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの。
She was the Devil Queen.
Pause. It's interesting to me because it seems like the devil took her over and she has the recollections of being the devil, but Pachita gave himself to Denji as opposed to taking Denji over because Denji's personality is still the one that's there.
Ooh.
Denji has all of his memories, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
And he talks about his life with Pachita. She's talking about her devil life.
So maybe Pachita is just like sitting back and is being passive while Denji goes and lives out the dream that they had together and living his power.
Kinda. I'm thinking of it almost like driving a car, maybe, where like the devil is in the driver's seat and the human that it took over is in the passenger seat or the back seat. Pachita's letting Denji drive. And he's just like, I just want you to be okay. And we don't fucking deserve dogs in any reality play.
聞きたいことがあったら早川くんに聞きな。彼が君たちを組ませたから。
Curious why.
やがったな。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして。
I don't
俺
think
を
so.
やめさせる気なんだ。
What a face!
血の匂いじゃ。
Oh.
Yeah, see, she seems differently motivated.
What a way to put it.
現場の封鎖と民間人の避難は完了させました。ナマコの悪魔です。ナマコの
Ooh, a sea cucumber devil.
Those fingers are freaky.
ナマコです。ナマコわかりますか？
Interesting. She can make weapons with her blood.
何？
Wasn't much of a game after it was afoot, huh? I'm glad she's happy. And that's it?
Okay, we have to watch the outro now.
Okay.
I'm rattled.
Very urban, but I like it.
Yeah. He's in the chat. She got his ass kicked.
Yep.
Pachito used to lay next to him.
And Power just kind of sits bored until they need her.
Curious what that big book was.
Mm-hmm.
Calm down, Mekamaru.
Okay.
It's like falling through the ground. This
Falling
is really cool.
Following like the Mad Men intro.
Interesting. It almost looked like he tried to self-destruct and she stopped him.
Yeah. Maybe he was self-destructing.
Apologies, y'all. We're like 4 minutes late for tummy o'clock and our dogs are letting us know.
Yeah.
They'll be alright. Wow, okay, that was it.
Yeah, that was it.
Cool beans, wow. So we love our mods for this reason, right? Because we were not inclined to watch the intro or the outro a whole bunch of times. They tend to get repetitive when we binge, so we don't. But thank you to the mods for letting us know that this is worth watching. Adult themes are coming up, aside from, you know, the mass unaliving of devils that we've already explored.
Yeah, right?
Heavily edited episode, because the show requires it. Unedited on Patreon. And wow, that was a lot.
Yeah, but you know, I'm enjoying this.
Me too.
I'm glad that we got to expand the cast of characters. That happened pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Yo, and Denji's he's just happy to be here. He's happy to be fed.
Listen,
and to be of use.
It's
Happy
it's an easy bar to pass when the bar is subterranean. Like, just the bar is in hell.
Bro, listen,
okay?
a couple of months of salary pay, and you're going to a strip club and you get as many boobies as you can afford.
We talked about this. He doesn't have the R-long problem. He can put his chainsaw nose away.
Yes, indeed.
He can do all the boating he wants to do. Yeah, that's... It's really sad. Like, it's very clear from how early we are that the life he's lived up to this point has been really lonely.
Yeah.
And really just, like, marked by lacking food, lacking money,
Lacking social acceptance,
lacking friends, and
connection.
doesn't seem to have a family that we've seen or have had spoken of.
His dad died and left him in debt.
Well, I mean, like, nobody else is around, though. Like, no abuelitos, no, like, cousins. He was selling his body piece by piece and still didn't clear the debt. I mean, I think we're taken to assume that now that debt is clear because of the whole, like, episode 1 fiasco.
Yeah, because he killed everybody that he owed.
The life up to that point was really hard.
Yeah.
It was really, really hard. And I hope that there's more for him to explore and experience. I hope there's friendship.
Yeah. I hope there's friendship, I hope there's connection, and I hope there's more chainsaws.
I think there's a lot of kinds of love. And I hope he gets to explore them all.
Yo, apparently this show was kind of a flop in Japan, but was a little bit of a bigger hit here in America.
Don't know how.
I think that's kind of fascinating.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll have to explore the next one when we get there.
Thank you guys for being with us as always. Really excited to go on this journey with you. And we'll see you guys soon.
Catch you on the next one.
Bye.